Let's identify the birds. That's a parrot. A parrot. A parrot. That's a chicken. A chicken. That's a chicken. That's a chicken. Which bird is that? Which bird is that? Can you make a guess? It's a dove. A dove. A dove. Which other bird is this? Is this? Which other bird is this? It's a peacock. A peacock. Which other bird is this? That's a turkey. A turkey. A turkey. A turkey. Which other bird is that? Which other bird is this? That's an owl. That's an owl. Let's go to some insects. Which insect is this? It says that's a bee. A bee. B for bee. Which other insects can we see on the pictures? Whoa! That's flying. That's a butterfly. A butterfly. That's a butterfly. Which insect is this? It's tiny. Which insect is this? It's a mosquito. Have you been bitten by a mosquito before? Which other insect can you find there? Well, that's another insect. That's a beetle. A beetle. Which other insect? Which one is that? We all know that is an ant. It's an ant. An ant. Which other insect? Wow. Which one is this? It's a spider. Spider web. Spider. Which other insect is this? It's a grasshopper. Way to go, grasshopper. Clap for yourself. You did a good job. Thank you.